Hello everyone, welcome back to AWS DevOps Logistic YouTube channel. So in previous class we have seen how to install Kafka and we have seen how to create a topic and events, right? So and before that we have seen a lot of like theory part so about Kafka. So all these things we have seen, and after that installation you have seen, right? After that we have created topics, we have created events, we have created producer, we have created consumer. So all that we have seen, right? So in this concept, in previous for part installation part only, also we have covered with a topics creation and consumer creation, production producer creation, and also we have established connection between two different producer and consumer, correct? So in this part we are going to create a consumer group, okay, in Kafka. All right, so let's start. Let's get into this topic. So let me open the terminal. Okay, so first we need to check docker ps. Is it any running containers? No. Docker ps-a. So I have these containers. Okay, let me start the container first, right? Docker start. Before that I need to docker ps-a, right? Docker start the container, right? So container is this, enter. So you started, and docker execution. So we need to do execution, exec hyphen it interactive terminal mode it, and we need to mention our docker container and bin bash. So this is, now currently we are into this container, which means Kafka container. What is this container name? Is Kafka. This container ID, this is image, right? All right, that's good. Let's move. So we need to create the topic first. So we need to create the topic first. So if you want to create the topic first, we have a command. So for create a topic, we have a command. For producer, to create a producer, that is also command. Already we have seen that command also we have seen. For consumer also we have seen one command. And now we are going to create a topic group. Okay. So yes, actually this topics has been created, but thing is, so we again try to create topics. Okay, so we'll try to establish connections. So I would like to create a topic. In previous class, in previous discussion also, we have created a topic, okay, and also created a producer and also created a consumer, but we have closed everything. So now let's start from the beginning. Okay, so I will try to take this. So this name, with this name already topic has been created. Let's try with it. Okay, I would like to check. I would like to check list. How many topics are there? See this, my topic was there, right? Now what we have done? We have created a topic with the name of order. The previous one was my topic, and quick start event is default one, which means it is not default one. We also created with the documentation, using this documentation. Okay, this one, quick start event. All right. Anyways, let's move. Okay, next. And now, so after creating a topic name called as order, let's do one thing. So we need to go inside that. Okay. So I think this created, right? No topic order. Let's go inside. All right. Okay, one second. Kafka console-producer.sh. Okay, server. Using this order, we are going inside. Okay, let me take from here itself because that was not proper. Because I also copied with the previous container name that was wrong. So let's take from here itself. Again, I'm just trying to paste here, enter. Okay, that's okay. It's still no such directory. All right, let me try to take. Yes, I need to delete this extra. Yes, enter. Yes, you are into. Yes, you are inside of this one. Kafka console producer.sh. This is the main leader producer. Okay, let me try to delete this. Okay, next time it will be useful. All right, next. So now we need to take a duplicate terminal too again. Okay, I would like to take Ubuntu, other terminal. I want to go Docker PS. Yes, this is the one. I want to go inside this Docker execution exec hyphen it and this container id. Excuse me, I missed it. Bin bash, right? Bin bash. Enter. Yeah, you are inside of that, right? So next, so again I need to create. See here, earlier I was created producer. Now this is console consumer.sh, which means if you consider this is actual terminal 2, I just want to make it as second terminal. Okay, I just want to make other one is this is terminal, first terminal you can say. Okay, enter. So this one is second, first one, and this one is second one. So if you consider, so you can see, I hope you can able to see this first one. This is actually producer. The second one should be consumer because producer and consumer will talk each other, right? So I want to create, I want to take this a step and I want to paste this in second. Okay, let me try to enter. From the beginning it was okay. I did not enter anything. I just want to give one message to that hello, sorry, excuse me, hello, I am producer. So this is actually giving, and I want to, after finishing it, so from the beginning, why I need to mention from the beginning means, so whatever legacy was there, that legacy you can able to see, it will appear. That legacy you can see here. See here, hello, I am a producer. You got a message from producer, but this legacy I got just because of from beginning. So if you don't mention from beginning, what will happen is it will give latest one, which means, so whatever after generating this consumer.sh, after that whatever the messages will get, that will only will be updated. So previous will not. Okay, previous one will not. Okay, so next, so yes, that's it. I think okay, already all done this. All right, so let me try to keep one by one. I mean, like side by side. Okay, let me keep here like this. So this is terminal 2 and this is terminal 1. I just want to make it to, okay, I will give here hello This is your producer from the Kafka something. Okay, so you got this right. All right, that's good. So next, so for example, this is trying to connect. If you take one order, I hope your, I can write like this: your order is on the way. Okay, so your, I hope order received. So like this. Okay, this is actually producer and this is consumer. Okay, consumer has a receiving capability and producer has sending capability. So I will write something here. Hi, this is consumer. So there is no two-way communication. This is only one-way communication. See here. So you did not receive anything from consumer to producer. Producer did not receive anything because this is one-way communication. All right, that's fine. Let us move forward. So again, I would like to take other terminal. Terminal. Again, I will take other terminal. Ubuntu, right? You can name it as third terminal. TER. That's it. TER. Right. So here Docker, excuse me, Docker PS, Docker exec hyphen it, whatever your container ID, and bin bash. You should need to go inside of your container. This is terminal 3, right? So now, so you can consider again this terminal 3 also a consumer. Okay, let's do. I just would like to check consumer list group.sh. Yeah, how many groups are there in this? So you see only one group. Okay, consumer groups. I'm checking with the consumer group. Consumer group name is 23240. All right, come on. And so now, so this is shown just here. What I mentioned, consumer groups.sh, which means it is connecting with the consumer groups configuration file, and bootstrap server connecting with it, and with the port number 9092 and giving the list of groups. So here is actually consumer group was one group is there 23240. Now we need to create a new group. All right. So excuse me. So let's create a new group. Oh yeah. So yep. 1 second. So I would like to take other terminal. So let me come out here. So this is terminal 3 and take terminal 4. I'm sorry, Ubuntu I'm using. All right. So name it as terminal 4. All right. Docker ps docker exec hyphen it. Okay. And this docker container id and bin bash. Enter. Yes. You are inside of this container. Very slow response. Wait, I think I've done some mistake. I think so. Docker exec not bin bash. excuse me, I think, let me clear this. Docker ps hyphen, one second, docker docker exec hyphen it, this docker container and bash. Yes, now we are in. So maybe we did mistake, we forgot that interactive DOM. Anyways, that's fine. And I just want to take that, again this is like a consumer, I'm also making it as a consumer. Okay, with the friend group you see here, with this command, see this guys, so consumer, again we are in consumer, bootstrap server, localhost, topic is order, already we have created, we are using the topic order, so we are giving from the beginning, and also here we are creating a group called hello group. Okay, so this is actually, okay, this is actually group name. Got it? Right, let me try to enter. Yes, yeah, you got it right. See this? Hi, I'm a producer. Hello, this is your producer from Kafka. Your order is on the way. I hope your order received. You understood? This message you got from the terminal one, which is producer. The same messages. Okay, right? That's fine. And one second. This is terminal 3. Oh, God. Got it. Understood. I should have done this in terminal 4, but it's okay. Okay, that's fine. No problem. I will make it that 4. So in terminal 3, what we have done? Okay, we didn't do anything, right? Okay, that's fine. All right. Actually, I will do one thing. We will change that names. Okay. So you will make it as, just make it as terminal. Okay, just make it as normal. Just here, and this 3 as 4. It doesn't make any difference, it's okay. This is for better to understand, that's it. Okay, this is terminal 3. Right, okay, that sounds good. It looks good, right? All right, that's fine. And now what should we do is, so let us run the terminal 4, this one. How many groups are there all? Okay, this is terminal 3 again. Where is terminal 4? This one, right? Excuse me. So let me come out. See the list. Yeah, hello group is there. Hello group we have created, right? So along with the this consumer, we using order. So we have created also one group. This is actually group. Got it? So you seen with this hyphen list. For groups, you mentioned here groups, bootstrap servers, localhost, and list. So you got group, right? This is actually default one, and this one we have created. All right. And next, what we have to do is, so here one note is there. Could you please read this? Kafka will create a group. Those who are consumers part of the group, they will receive the messages. Here Kafka is not sending messages to consumers individually. Kafka sending on group only, which means whatever the producer is there, that producer is sending messages, but in group. For example, if you create a group, in that group consumers will comes under as a members, team members. So group, what is doing, producer is actually sending not individually to their individually, not sending the messages. So what is doing producer will keeps messages in a group, so it will display to all. That will be something like your WhatsApp group, right? So no need to send individually, no need to send each and every person one message. If you are as a part of the group, if somebody keep a message, that will be displayed to everyone. Same like that. Okay. All right. So now again I will take another terminal. Excuse me. Ubuntu terminal, right? And you can make it name as fifth term. Okay, just keep like this. And now, so I just want to go inside of the Docker. Excuse me, again Docker ps Docker exec hyphen it and container id bin bash. All right, enter. So now you are inside of the container, and here what we have to do is we have to run this command. So I will show you what is command is. Again, here you are running a consumer. You are working as a consumer only. So consumer means consumer always receive the messages from the producer. Correct? Let me try to run this. Again that message. What happened? Yes, you got message, right? Okay. So now I would like to check with this how much list. Excuse me. Again, just to run this consumer groups. See here, again other group has been created, new group. Okay, so here one note is there. If you see, default Kafka will assign to group, that whatever we created a consumer, for that consumers we did not assign a group, so itself assigned to default group. And also Kafka will not directly message to the consumer. 100% right, we did not assign any group, but automatically along with this group. So while you are running this command, right, so consumer command, so we did not assign any group, but default it has been created, right? That's what. And so now let's so what is it for start the container. Okay, that's okay, fine. And so now take duplicate terminal 1 means Ubuntu once again, and it run below command. That's okay, fine, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, now, okay. So till now, what we have done is we have created a groups, correct? So let me try to keep one by one all those. Okay, got it. So let me try to keep here first terminal. You can keep here like a small one. So next terminal 2 you can keep here. Excuse me. I want terminal 2. Yes, this one. I want to make this small one. Oh shit, it's closed. It's closed. Anyways, no problem. I will play with whatever existed. Okay, so this is the one, and the other one is terminal 4. Make it a small one. Okay, right, you can keep here. And fifth one is make it small one, and you can keep here. Okay, so and I just want to run here again as a consumer instead of second one. We can make it fifth one is as second one. Okay, all right, so let's do one thing. I just want to take a command. Yeah, this one. No, not this one. Okay, this one. This is from hello group, right? Else I will take this one. Then yeah, simple without any groups, right? I will go second one, first one, second one, third one, fifth one. It is, you can make it as second one, right? So yeah, that's fine. Now this is the first one, right? So now I want to write something. Hi. Any changes? Yes. Yes. Excuse me. Yeah, yeah, I'll run this. Yeah, you got it right? Hello. Hi. Yes, I want to write here. Hello. Hi. Welcome. I'll write. Welcome. Hello, this is a producer. Okay. Enter. This everything is reaching, right? So how many partition doesn't matter. I mean, how many groups, how many consumers, it doesn't matter. It is reaching. Okay, so next what we have to do is we will do some partitions. So we will two consumers in one group and other two consumers in one group. We'll make some groups, separate groups as a partition. We'll see that how it is working as a group. Okay, this is individual. So this producer is connecting with the this nor individual consumer. This producer is connecting with the group, and this producer is connecting with this consumer, right? So this is also fine. But next part what we will do is, so we'll connect with the different groups. Okay, we'll connect with the groups. We'll create a group. In that, using that group, we'll keep some consumers in that group, and we'll try to communicate with that. That's, we'll see. Okay, thank you so much. In this video I'm trying to remembering you guys. In this video we have seen about So how to create a group, that's it. Okay, individually, so you need to understand. So we have created consumer group, that's it, in this video. Okay, so these are all the steps you need to follow. Just make yourself, just prepare yourself all these things. So do practice. So you will be more expertized, right? All right, thank you so much. We'll see you in next class. Okay, partitions. Okay, in this class. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.